Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a door in Roblox Studio. I haven't posted in a very long time because I've been very busy, or I'm going to admit it, very lazy. So in this video we're going to learn how to make a door. And it's actually very simple, but at the same time very complicated, so you have to listen. Not to be mean or anything. So we're going to start, how about we start here, with that. It's just going to be a door that slides. So we're going to make the door like that. The door, when you click on it, is going to go like that and then bend back like that. And then we're going to create just a little wall over here, I guess. So you can see how it works. Come on, please work. Thank you. I'm going to make this a different color so we can tell it's different. Then we're going to name this door. Then let's get into the good stuff. I'm going to add a click detector. And then we're going to add a script if I can find it. I'm going to name it open door. And we're going to start off fresh. So we're going to do it like this. Local tween service. Oops, I'm being a bot right now. Service. Alright, now it's glitching. It's equal to game get service tween service. So we're creating a variable that's making it so we're allowed to use the tween service. You could say local door is equal to script dot parent dot parent, and then local click detect is equal to script dot parent. So what we're doing is we're trying to get these things so we can use them in our code, and we don't have to rewrite the whole thing every time. Now this is where it's going to get a little complicated. Local tween info is equal to tween info dot new. Then we're going to press enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Now this is how long it will take, so we're going to say about 1.25. This is how it's going to look. So enum dot easing style dot linear. There's a bunch of other ones you can play around with, but we will just use linear because it means it's going to go straight. And also we need to place commas after everyone. And then next we're going to do the direction in easing direction is dot out. So that means it's going to go out. Oops. True. I'll explain all this in a minute. I believe this is how many times, excuse me, I'm a bad coding teacher, how many times it will repeat. This is how, if it will redo what it did. So for example, this is the, this thing, oh god, I screwed up everything. The little selector thing is the door. It's going to move out like that, and then it's going to go back in. Okay, now we're going to start with the more variables, but it's going to tell us what we're going to do. one more thing, we need to make sure this is on the x-axis, so you can tell like that. Sorry for my phone. Door open, and then this is going to equal to door dot position dot x minus, how about we say 30, and then we can copy everything before x, comma v y v z. So now instead of having to type down all of their positions, we can just do this. But there's one problem. If the door is not on the x-axis, instead on the z-axis like this, we're going to have to change the minus 30, delete it, and put it over here. So this is what it's going to do when the door opens. Then we're going to go local door close is equal to, ooh, wait, I made a mistake actually. I'm gonna have to add parentheses around these, and then we're gonna have to say position is equal to vector 3 dot new. There we go. Position equal to vector 3 dot new. And we're just gonna paste that again, again. And now this is where it's gonna go when it closes. But we're not even gonna use this, really. These are just for if you want to be extra, not in like a rude way. But I'll explain how to use it after. Local tween open. Now this is going to explain what it does when it tries to open and close. So it's going to be tween service colon create door tween info door open. This is alright, so this explains what it's going to be doing it to. This is it says it's going to use this up here, and this is what it's going to be using to say where it's going to go. Now we can just copy that, and then, but instead of having open, we can say door close, and then we can change that to door close. Now we're gonna say function, whatever you want to name it, open tween open play. And then at the end we'll call the function. Alright, we're going to say click detect. Sorry for that moment of silence, I was having a brain fart. Mouse click, connect, open. So this is what it's going to be doing. It will play this, which will say the value that it will end at. Then we'll use this to say what it's using, the door. Then it's using this to tell how it's gonna go, and then it will be this to show where the position will go. So it will take 1.25 seconds to get to the ending position. It will go in a straight line because the easing style is linear. The direction will go out, so it won't go like, it's kind of hard to explain. I'm sorry, I'm stupid, I cannot explain that. And then this is how many times it will repeat, and then this is if it will redo what it did. And then I'm slow and I forgot what that is. I'm a bad coding teacher, like I said before. So the door open will, okay, another text. Will set the, it will start at its current position. It will take 1.25 seconds to get less than 30 of its x. And then it will, due to this being true, it will go back. Or if you want to be extra, you can change this to false so it will not redo. And then you can say tween close play. But either one works. Now let's play this to see if there's any errors. Alright, so as you can see, we already have one mistake. Oh, and I also need to turn on anchored. Yep, I see what I did wrong. I added a period instead of a comma. Yes. Alright. And we need to anchor. So play here. Alright, let's see how it goes. There we go, it's just because I spammed it. And then it's not closing because it's being slow. Alright. Alright, let's just set this to true. I'm sorry. I am being very bad right now. Alright. Now let's try. Should open and then it closes. There we go. So I know I'm bad and all, but if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and leave a like. It helps out a lot. And well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Eat.